Hi guys, John here. So I'm going to do another tarantula Caresheet video. So I've been requested by Chicawas, wanted me to film my Phormictopus Cancerides, which is the Haitian brown bird eater. Since I have not done a Caresheet video of the spider, thought, you know what, why make one? Here's Isabella, my very, very fat and healthy Phormictopus Cancerides, the Haitian brown bird eater. So these are bird eaters, so they reside from the South America, you know, like Brazil, Haiti, and so forth. So these make them New World terrestrial species. So these guys get huge. You're looking at right now a 3/4 inch specimen of sling. If you saw my earlier video, when I first got her, she was electric blue in color. Right now she's starting to get dark right now. So, awesome. So, these species are very, very easy to take care of. I sound like a broken record. You can pretty much keep them like a rosea. But their temperaments are kind of nasty tempered. They are notorious hair flickers. They'll flick hairs at the slightest disturbance. They're kind of nasty tempered, so I wouldn't suggest you handling them. But unlike roseas, these get up to a monster size, 9 inches in leg span. The colors look like they kind of resemble huge roseas on steroids, and freshly molted males, mature males, show a bright shade of purple on the legs and on the cephalothorax, or the carapace. Females actually get a little bit brown color, so I think that's why they call it the Haitian brown, but the males are actually really beautiful, as I will mention in my Pamphibedius Caresheet video, which will air tomorrow. So she's a pretty cool specimen. I'm not going to feed her. She's already eaten like 3 crickets already. So this is pretty much what a sling container looks like. It's just an ordinary pill jar. So the next mulch she'll be going into a solo container. So if people ask me what a solo container looks like, well, I'm going to show it to you. And I'll show it to you my new threads for my sp.auratus trade. That's some of that molted 2 days ago. I did give it a little sneak peek in my Tarantula Nighttime video 3, but I figured, you know what, why not show it right now. And she's beautiful. So this is what a deli container looks like, solo container. You get them at the dollar store. They're good for housing, what, about 1 inch to 1.5 inch spiderlings. And then once they got to 2 inches, you go into critter keeper. So let's look at her. Oh, she's beautiful. Ooh, yeah. Okay, this is my actually sexless going to be a female. It looks like a female to me. So I don't know if you can actually see. And there she is. She's beautiful. She's got all her colors. You can see the gold stripes on the knees. That's why they call them golden knees. And very handleable species, very docile. As I mentioned in my video of my Caresheet on them, and she's quite cool. So that's my Caresheet video on the Phormictopus Cancerides, the Haitian brown bird eater. So let's look at Isabel one more time. And next time she molts, she's going to a bigger container, and I'm going to video it once that happens. Yeah, so here she is. Hungry as ever. Oh yeah, and these are very hungry spiders, so if you guys want to see attacks, you get these ones. These are actually really cool. They have a Canthoscuria-like behavior, meaning like very, very quick and aggressive towards their prey. And you know what, as a bonus, hopefully we can get to see my Pocotheria metallica, the Goody Sapphire. People love to see that species. It's probably one of my favorite pokies. Yeah, so I don't know if you can get to see it. She's huge. She's a monster. She's at least at 5 inches right now. And, see? Yeah, she covers my hand. My hand's like about 5 inches. 5 or 6 inches, wow. Pretty sweet. And, let's see, what else can I show you in this video? A little chock full of videos today. Can I see my Siphuska? That thing is so beautiful. Yeah, this is a very, very beautiful pokey. I gotta try to be very, very slow. Oh, please, please, please. Oh, I don't know if you get to see it, but... Oh, God. Okay, let's see what happens. If I get it, I get it. If I don't, I don't. I don't know if you can see that. I don't think you can. Because he's very brown. And she made a burrow, like all pokies do. So, I hope you enjoyed my Caresheet video. Sweet.